Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and man, I love to keep my cars looking clean, and I wanted to try out the new CarPro Darkside for my tires. I want to show you how well it works. All right, y'all, as far as DIYs go, this is really simple. So this is kind of, half DIY and half product review. So this really is straightforward. I mean, as far as the DIY, this is about as easy as it gets. This is more looking at how the product performs and what it looks like when it's done than, direct instruction on how to do this, because it's pretty simple. But it's going on really easy, as you can see. And then we're going to dive into it on how to apply this onto the tires. All right, y'all, so now with my tires clean and dry, all cleaned up, and I scrubbed them off really well. I'm going to use a microfiber towel in this case. Now, you can use your favorite tire applicator, kind of foam block or microfiber applicator. I'm actually out of them. So I'm going to just sacrifice a microfiber towel. If you have low profile tires, make sure to get underneath the bead from this edge as well. That way it doesn't stand out. And then also, if you have low profile tires, make sure that you roll the car back once you get a chance, so you can get the very bottom edge that you can't get because it's sitting on the ground. Okay, I like it so far. This looks really good so far. And actually it doesn't smell bad either, which is a nice change. A lot of car products don't smell all that great. All right, but this looks really good. Now, application is about the same as just about anything else you do for tire coating. This is completely dry, and you can see just the shine on it, and the coating looks really good. I'm really pleased, but I'm really impressed. I cannot wait to see how well this lasts over the next 1 to 3 months, especially with the weather getting better. Clearly looks really good and can really bring some pop to your wheels.